Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for choosing to watch my video, and if you would subscribe it, like it, all that stuff, that'd be great. Otherwise, enjoy the video, and I hope it gives you the information you need and is helpful to you. Take care. The basic tools I'm using to replace the spark plugs on a 2012 Jeep Grand Cherokee 5.7 liter. A 10mm 1/4-inch socket on a gun for the coils, assortment of extensions, the 3/8 ratchet, air gun to make things go a little quicker, break them loose with this, and then take them out with my air ratchet. Goes pretty swell. We've got all these spark plugs to put in. Spark plug gap is 0.040 inches, or 1 millimeter it looks like, and the torque is 7.5 foot-pounds. Do not exceed 15 foot-pounds. So, a little gapper here. Just check the gap. Be careful, it's platinum tip, so you don't want to be rough on it. It can damage the tip. We're at 42. I'm okay with that. Usually it'll be like plus or minus a couple thousandths. So, just gap your plugs. You need to open it up. This particular one, you can open it up by doing this, prying up on it. Otherwise, you can also tap it on a hard surface to make the gap smaller. So we're going to be good to go. Of course, gap your plugs, and then you can get ready to install them. We'll just go right over here. I'll show you about taking the cover off after this, and we'll install this plug, and it's going to be the same process for all of them. 2 10mm bolts. They don't have to come out all the way. I just loosen them up usually and then use my fingers and turn them until I feel they're free, and then you just pull them out. These are nice and flexible, so you don't really have to worry about breaking anything in here. They're going to move real nice for you. Try to get the setup here. Spark plug socket's nice. It has a little rubber boot inside. It'll hold the spark plug. Usually a good one, and then it won't fall out. So we'll just go in here and we'll start this by hand. I'd start them all by hand, start all nuts and bolts by hand, prevent cross-threading. Just kind of turn it down as much as you want by hand, and then we'll torque it down to the 7.5 foot-pounds, it said. Not exceeding 15, so it kind of sounds like somewhere between 7 and 15. That is pretty much it. Do 11 more. You see the coil just kind of fits in here nice. 2 screws screwed in place. Coil connector. Just got to push in on this tab to release it. Listen to it snap maybe. Click. Get that out of the way a little bit. Push on the tab to release it. I use a screwdriver sometimes to push on it with one hand and pull it off with the other. So that's it. And it's the same process for all of them. Pretty easy job overall. Just a little time consuming. And I'll show you the cover in a minute. Alright, so I did remove this hose. It was in the way just a little bit. This should just slide on. Of course, in 5 or 10 years, it'll be hard as a rock and not nice and soft like it is now. So we got this, and I think the oil cap should come off for putting the cover on and off. Got your little friction fit nubbies here on the side, both sides. So that's what this cover is going to fall onto, so nothing to unscrew. There's your little nubbies right there, so we'll just kind of drop those onto there and press it into place. Watch the dipsticks there. So we get a peek in here, a little bit close. You see, they're not quite on here. We'll line things up here. That is little disheartening, yes. I would agree.
Yeah, like, if I had to make this call, I would make it call on the other one.
Yeah, just looking at it. So I can feel the nubby with my hand back here. And maybe it doesn't really snap into place like I thought it would, but got it there. Put it on the nubbies. Put your oil cap back on. Spark plug replacement 2012, and I'm sure other model years. 5.7 liter V8 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Good luck to you.